Get ready to discover 20 incredible tools that can make every job faster, easier, and more efficient. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these innovative tools deserve a place in your toolbox. Let's get started. The Walcom Air Riveter delivers fast, reliable pneumatic riveting with 5 interchangeable nozzle sizes for a wide range of applications. Its lightweight design, low operating noise, and durable construction make it ideal for automotive, fabrication, and general workshop fastening tasks. The Galaxy 125 diamond blade delivers fast, precise 45-degree cuts with an exceptionally clean edge that often eliminates the need for extra grinding. Its innovative dual-sided diamond design provides efficient cooling, smooth finishing, and long-lasting performance, making it ideal for cutting porcelain tiles with maximum accuracy. The STILETTO 7-inch Carpenter Square is built for faster, more accurate layout work. Featuring multiple layout notches, a bomber cutout for repeatable stud measurements, and precision machined construction, it delivers exceptional durability and accuracy. The level version also includes a replaceable 180-degree vial for added versatility. The LZ scraper bars are designed for fast, precise ground profiling when building parking lots, sidewalks, bicycle paths, and other paved areas. With stepless width adjustment and a smooth 100mm height adjustment system, they deliver accurate grading for efficient site preparation. The PowerTec Drill Dust Collection base keeps drilling clean and accurate with powerful suction, interchangeable guide bushings, and built-in alignment marks. Its clear dust cover maintains visibility while capturing debris, and the removable design accommodates larger drill bits for a wide range of woodworking and construction tasks. The Makita Grease Gun delivers high-pressure lubrication with up to 10,000 pounds per square inch and 4 adjustable speed settings for precise flow control. Its brushless motor, constant speed control, flexible hose, and airlock detection ensure fast, reliable greasing for demanding maintenance and industrial applications. Ultra Shear Spiral Ball. Nose bits are engineered for detailed CNC carving and precision 3D machining. The stubby conical ball nose bit creates fine, intricate finishes, while the 3-flute ball nose bit efficiently removes material, making the pair ideal for high-quality carving and finishing projects. The GRABO vacuum system uses powerful electric suction to securely lift materials up to 75 kilograms with ease. Compatible with smooth and textured surfaces, it handles glass, tiles, stone, wood, and metal, while dual battery options provide reliable performance for professional and DIY projects alike. The Spill Pallet Plus provides reliable spill containment for IBCs, tanks, and totes with a large 365-gallon sump that meets environmental regulations. Its low-profile design allows easy handling, while heavy-duty construction, removable grating, and forklift access make cleanup and transport simple and efficient. The blade disposal case offers a safe, convenient way to store and dispose of used utility blades. Its compact professional-grade design fits easily into a waste bag or pocket, keeping sharp blades securely contained on the job. The Edelgrappa hydraulic cable cutter delivers 87 tons of cutting force to slice through wire ropes and industrial cables up to 63 millimeters in diameter. Powered by a hydraulic pump, it provides clean, spark-free cutting, making it a safe and efficient choice for demanding construction and industrial work. The FrameTec Select 2.0 glass partition system combines a slim, modern design with sound insulation of up to 37 decibels, creating bright, open spaces without sacrificing privacy. Its high-quality profiles allow quick installation, making it an ideal solution for stylish residential and office interiors. The Walcom polishing system delivers a fast, professional finish with a simple 3-step process. Featuring titanium-infused polishing compounds, premium pads, microfiber cloths, and detailing products, the complete kit makes polishing quicker, easier, and more effective for achieving a flawless surface. This cordless tube cutter delivers fast, clean cuts through carbon and galvanized steel pipes up to 33 mm in diameter. Its sliding blade guard collects metal debris, while the pistol grip handle and LED work light provide greater control for overhead and low-light cutting applications. The BG2 bench belt sander combines a powerful belt grinder and disc sander for efficient metal finishing. Featuring quick belt changes, adjustable sanding angles, and a compact bench-mounted design, it's ideal for deburring, chamfering, weld preparation, and cleaning cast metal components. The paving trolley is designed to transport full layers of paving stones quickly and safely from pallets to the work area. Featuring heavy-duty pneumatic wheels, a 400-kilogram load capacity, and an adjustable working width, it improves efficiency while reducing manual handling on paving projects. The opening day mallet features a durable polycarbonate head that delivers a smooth, controlled rebound, making repetitive chiseling and carving more efficient. Paired with a comfortable hardwood handle, it offers excellent balance, precision, and durability for fine woodworking and detailed hand tool projects. The TFS 230 floor stripper is built for powerful, heavy-duty removal of carpets, vinyl, linoleum, and other floor coverings. Designed for demanding job sites, it combines high-performance stripping, easy transport, and operator-focused comfort and safety for efficient flooring removal. The manual C-ring gun is built for heavy-duty fastening in fencing, cages, and construction projects. Featuring hardened tungsten steel jaws, long ergonomic handles, and a high-capacity magazine, it delivers fast, reliable performance without the need for an air compressor. This heavy-duty cable roller system ensures smooth, efficient cable handling with high load capacities and rugged construction. Designed for demanding cable installation jobs, it reduces friction during pulling, protects cables from damage, and simplifies transporting and unwinding heavy cable drums. Thanks for watching. We hope you found a few new favorites for your toolbox. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which tool impressed you the most. See you in the next video.